For attic insulation depth, follow the thumb rule that the target is to reach an R value between 38 and 60 based on climate. Aim first to determine your current R value by measuring insulation depth and identifying the material type, because fiberglass bat and blown cellulose have different R values per inch. Use product R value charts to convert depth into R value. For example, fiberglass bat might be about 3.5 to 4 per inch, while blown cellulose is about 3.5 to 3.25 per inch, depending on density. Air sealing is essential before adding insulation, so seal gaps around plumbing, wiring, recessed lights, and attic hatch using caulk and foam to stop convective heat loss that deeper insulation alone cannot fix. When adding blown insulation, maintain proper ventilation at eaves and ensure baffles keep soffit vents clear to avoid moisture buildup and ice dam risk. Factor in existing insulation by subtracting its R value from your target, then add the required depth of the chosen product rather than simply layering blindly. Finally, pack blown insulation evenly and avoid compressing fiberglass bats, because compression reduces R value and leaves thermal bridges at joists. Common mistakes include adding insulation without air sealing, which leaves persistent heat loss and moisture issues, so always seal leaks first. Another mistake is ignoring ventilation and blocking soffit paths, which can trap moisture and cause rot. Install and verify baffles so air moves from soffit to ridge. A third error is assuming all insulation depths are equal across products and compressing bats, which lowers performance. Always consult product charts for R per inch and install to the recommended loose fill depth or uncompressed bat thickness. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like attic insulation. Depth planning and installers can use our listings to find local work opportunities. We host an active discussion community where we and other users share real-world tips, product experiences, and contractor recommendations.